back to my channel. So today, me and Lionel are gonna do Nerf battles again.
But we can go scattered ways, but not in the rooms. And also tell that sometimes tell them. Tell the viewers.
So sometimes I might forget to make videos. Why are you holding me hostage?
Just
Okay, so sometimes I might forgot to upload some videos that I didn't make. So that's why I don't upload that much.
what happened to the grenade?
Oh, you were squeezing it.
Cap. Cap. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh yes, Lisa yoy yoy. Lisa yoy yoy yoy.
My defense 4.
Lisa
You
yoy.
have to be quiet because you know Abel from Halloween. Abel is
Sleepy.
not working.
You will know die.
Not him, my clothing. Let's eat him.
Oh, it actually took it?
Yeah.
Because no one will take me. Yeah. I have no more ammo. Please. I need ammo. You missed. That's what I thought. Oh, you missed. You missed.
Where's that go? No. I keep hiding because I'm a hider. Where's that go?
Actually, thank you for the ammo. Actually, where did it go? My God.
Okay, stop hiding.
No, you did not touch me though. You missed. Actually, I thought.
Where'd that go? No! Oh my God!
Hey! Yeah, no ammo for that. Yeah, I'm not thinking that, bro. You got scared me. Because now you're gonna die. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. More higher. Higher as you can. Do your tippy toes.
What?
Do your tippy
What do
toes.
you mean do your tippy toes? What do you mean do?
Bro.
Let's touch it?
No, like this. Yeah, you're ready, though.
I don't know what tippy toes are.
Fresh meat. Fresh meat. Ow. Fresh meat. Fresh meat. Yes. Fresh meat. Fresh meat. Fresh meat.
Yeah, no more ammo. Maybe.
Fresh meat. Yeah, it's time for fresh meat. No.
Where'd that go?
Yeah, you missed.
Bro, where'd it go? Oh yeah, my dad's creepy. Oh, right here. Alright. No!
Yes.
No!
You down.
No.
Next shot.
Where's my ammo?
No. You missed. Thank you for the
Friendly
ammo.
fire! I bet.
Free Fortnite. Fortnite battle. Ah! Actually, I
I
forgot.
have to find a way
Huh?
After seeing pen says you. Okay, shoot.
What happened? Oh my god.
I said, what? What? Oh, yeah.
Actually, stop. Actually, stop.
Actually, what?
I mean, I have like one of these guns at home, but I can repel them very well. Actually, if you actually throw it at me, I'll not help you fix your guns. Actually, this gun is RIP.
I know how to fix it.
Yeah, let me fix the gun.
Okay.
Let me see that ammo. Let me stick that ammo.
No.
Yes, I'm taking that ammo. Yeah, I'm searching for ammo now. Searching for ammo so I could cook you. You have only 10% battery.
Oh, yeah.
Kai, what you're gonna get for Christmas?
I don't know.
Anything that Santa gives you?
Guns?
What did you just say?
Guns?
Real guns?
No.
Nerf
I
guns?
want you to
Okay, Kai. If you don't do it, if you don't fix it in 2 seconds, I will shoot the penguin army that I made you.
No.
5, 4, 3. You saved them. Oh, you're gonna use that gun? Okay.
Hey, can I use the smaller gun?
No, I won't use it. That's why I have 2 guns at a time.
That's your rule. You can't have two. You can use plushies. Or we do plushie wars.
No plushie wars. Psycho. Hi. You got 1 ammo?
No.
There's 1 ammo that I tried to give you. Actually, you could just stick it in there. Wait.
Wait, you have to charge my iPad now.
Bye, guys.